Hello my dear student, I hope that you all are doing well. In today's class, I am going to discuss the questions of NCERT, in text question of NCERT, chapter motion. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, you go to the description of this video, you will find one playlist of chapter motion. You go through it. If you find any doubt, you just comment there, I will solve your doubt. Okay, so the first question of NCERT chapter motion is, you first take out your page number 100 of class 9, and the first question I am going to discuss. The first question is, an object has moved a distance. An object has moved through a distance. Can it have zero displacement? If yes, support your answer with an example. Suppose a body which is moving along a circular path. If it starts from A, the radius of the circular track is R. After completing one revolution around the circular path, the distance is how much? Distance is how much? You tell me. Distance is circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. But what is the displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance between initial point to final point. So here you can see, after covering one complete revolution, after covering this one circular path, the body reaches to its same initial point. So there is no distance, the initial point, the distance between initial point and final point become 0. So here we can say that displacement is 0, but body is having some distance. So body, we can say that if a body moves along a circular path, then their displacement is 0 after completing one round. Okay, and distance is 2 pi r, means it is having some distance, but displacement is 0. Okay. Now the second question is, a farmer moves along a boundary of the square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. Okay, in completing one complete revolution around the square field, the farmer take 40 seconds, and the side of the square field is 10 meter. What will be the magnitude of displacement of the farmer? You have to find the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. So how to solve this question? First of all, draw the diagram, write the given data, then proceed. Okay, so square field is like in this way you can draw, and the side is 10 meter. Every question you try to approach through a diagram. First write the given data, then you use the formula, and then you solve the question. So square field is there, one side is 10 meter, then this side is also 10 meter. All sides are 10 meter. Okay, then what is the perimeter of this square field? You know perimeter is how much? Perimeter is sum of all sides. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is 40 meter. Now it is given the farmer take 40 seconds in one complete revolution around this square field. So in one revolution around square field, farmer takes 40 seconds. Okay, and so we can say therefore in 40 seconds farmer covers 40 meter distance. So in 1 second, how much farmer covers a distance of? In 1 second, in 40 seconds, farmer covers a distance of 40 meter. In 1 second, farmer covers a distance of 40 divided by 40, that is 1 meter. Okay, in 1 second, farmer covers a distance of 1 meter. So in the question it is given what is the displacement you have to find displacement in 2 minute 20 second. What is the meaning of 2 minute? 2 minute means what? 2 minute you can write time is equal to 2, 1 minute is 60 second plus 20, so it will become 140 second. So in 140 second, what is the total distance you can write? In 140 second, distance is how much? कितना distance होगा बताओ? In 1 second, body covers a distance of how much? In 1 second, the distance is 1 meter. Okay. So in 140 second, if you multiply here 140, here also you have to multiply 140. So in 140, body covers a distance of, in 140 second, body covers a distance of 140 meter. But in question, this is the distance. In question, displacement is asked. What is the displacement? So we have to first find how many round it takes, the farmer takes. Okay. So first of all, we have to find number of revolution. Number of revolution, how to find? Is equal to total distance. Write down total distance upon perimeter. ठीक है, तो टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना कवर कर रहा है? टोटल डिस्टेंस कितने टाइम में? 140 सेकेंड में कितना कवर कर रहा है टोटल डिस्टेंस? 140 मीटर. एंड पेरीमीटर इज व्हाट? 40. सो यू विल गेट 2 2 4, 2 7 14, 7/2, that is 3.5. You will get 3.5, that is 3.5 round. What is the meaning of this 3.5 round? Means farmer covers 3.5 round in 140 second. Farmer covers 3.5 round in 140 second. So what is the meaning of this? In one complete round, the displacement becomes 0. In 2 complete round, the displacement becomes 0. In 3 complete round, displacement again becomes 0. But in half round, the displacement, the body will reach from, suppose this is A, B, C, D. In half round, means if body start from A, in half round body reaches to C. So what is the distance now? What is the displacement? Initial point to final point, shortest distance is a displacement. So how to find the displacement? This is right angle triangle. Square field is 90 degree. And you know AC is what? This is by Pythagoras theorem. You know AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. So what is AC? AC is root under AB is how much? 10 plus 10. 10 square plus 10 square. So it will become root under 2 into 100. So you will get the answer. AC is how much? The answer will be AC. This is how much? 2 root 10. 100 is how much? 10, and root 2 is 1.414. If you multiply, you will get displacement is how much? 14.14 meter is the displacement. You write this. You copy this. Now in question number 3, page number 100 NCERT in text question number 3, it is asked that which of the following is true for displacement? It cannot be 0, its magnitude is greater than the distance traveled by the object. Displacement can be 0. You know in circular path the distance is 2 pi r in one complete revolution, but displacement is what? Displacement is 0. A point से start हुआ है, by completing one complete round around a circular path, the displacement will become 0. So this is also false. क्वेश्चन में ये पूछा जा रहा है आपसे, ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में ये पूछा जा रहा है कि which of the following is true for displacement? It cannot be 0. No, it can be 0. Displacement, write down, this displacement can be 0. है ना, बॉडी का डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या हो सकता है? 0 हो सकता है. एग्जाम्पल आप क्या लिख सकते हो? इन सर्कुलर मोशन, वन कंप्लीट सर्कुलर मोशन, बॉडी कवर्स, इस पॉइंट से स्टार्ट हुआ है तो आफ्टर कवरिंग वन कंप्लीट रेवोल्यूशन डिस्प्लेसमेंट विल बिकम displacement become 0. You can write this. Okay, displacement become 0. Second is its magnitude is greater than the distance traveled by the object. This is also false, because you know, if a body moves along a circular path, here if a body moves along a circular path in a straight highway, then in this case you can write, in straight highway, if a body moves along a straight line, straight highway, then what is the distance from A to B? Suppose it moves 2 kilometer. Okay, it moves 2 kilometer. Then what is the distance? Distance is equal to 2 kilometer. Then what is the displacement? Here also displacement is 2 kilometer. Displacement is 2 kilometer. But the important thing is, in this question it is asked, it cannot be its magnitude is greater than 0. कभी भी displacement distance से बड़ा नहीं हो सकता है. Here you can see, here you can write distance is equal to displacement. In this condition you can write displacement is equal to displacement when object moves in straight highway. Whenever object moves in a straight highway, okay, straight line path, that time the shortest distance is a straight line. Hence we can say distance is equal to displacement. So you can write distance is equal to displacement in a straight highway, but always remember distance is either equal to or greater than displacement. One example I want to give you. Here in circular motion you see the distance is what? From A to again A path, the distance is 2 pi r, but displacement is what? 0. तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट यहाँ पर 0 हो गया, लेकिन डिस्टेंस क्या है? 2 पाई आर. तो कौन बड़ा है? 2 पाई आर बड़ा है, यानी डिस्टेंस इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. सो बोथ स्टेटमेंट आर false. Both are false. Okay.